morning. We're at school with Juliet and Huyu. Play nila Sashi ngayon. So we are going to watch, and hopefully ma-film ko yung ano na dinala ko yung camera ko, guys. Maingay, I don't know if you could hear me, but there is Sashi, she's ready.
Viruses, of touch, attempted this.
Couldn't help me drawing your hand too much, which not only the patient's choice for this, for saints I've had, pilgrims' hands to touch. Upon myself, I sacrifice myself. Once his
Hey guys, we're home and tapos na rin yung play nila ate sa wakas for how many days and nights na nag-prepare kami sa play nila ate na si Romeo and Juliet. Sana manalo sila. But ate Sashi is a little worried na hindi siya maging best in Juliet. Pero okay naman yung performance nila compared to the first one. But we haven't seen the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, kasi 7 sila paulit-ulit. Kaya hindi na namin, umuwi na kami kasi paulit-ulit lang naman buong grade 9 Romeo and Juliet. So tapos na, and I haven't vlog a lot sa school kasi nasa school kami. Hindi pwede. And then busy din ako kasi I was holding the camera. I was filming ate. I was filming their play, yun. Tapos, yun, and now we got home around 1:30. Yeah, it's almost 2 already, and right now, I'm transferring the files, yung sa, play nila ate, kasi I wanted to edit it, pero, hindi masyadong maganda yung, yung kuha, kasi madilim, walang spotlight, but, okay na din yun, remembrance ng play nila. Kasi si Baba, hindi din siya nakapanood, kasi, high school lang yung, pinapanood, guys. Sabi ni Sashi at first na hindi daw pwede manood yung parents. What? Hindi pwedeng manood. Sabi ko sa kanya, hindi pwedeng manood yung parents. Tapos, yung effort ko, guys, sa paggawa ng costume ni ate. For 24 hours, hindi ako natulog. While doing, tapos hindi pwedeng manood. Hindi pwede yan. So, we're just chilling and nagta-transfer pa yung ibang files. Ang laki kasi 1 hour yung nila. Yung play nila, guys. Ang tagal, di ba? 1 hour. So, my card got full. I forgot to delete sa mga clips na hindi na pala needed sa sa camera ko. So, I forgot to delete that. Kaya biglang nag-card full! Oh my God, I was so scared kasi nag-card full. Tapos nag-stop din siya kasi automatic na nagsa-stop yung 70D pag masyadong mahaba na yung pag-take ng footage. So yun. And then yung second one nga, yun nga, yung card full. Ito, nagmamadali akong mag-delete ng mga tapos yung eto na lang yung camera ng phone na lang yung ginamit namin. So hopefully, okay lang din yung kuha ng camera ng phone. Ayan, so I'm going to edit that. Pero mabilis lang naman yung pag-edit nun kasi there's nothing to edit really. Yuwa, batutut kay ko. What? I can't wait. Shiwuki, batutut. So, guys, I'm just going to finish transferring files sa ayan na Uy, tapos na yun sa, hindi ko nilahat kasi baka mag-error kasi nung first time nag-error siya. So, I'm gonna transfer 3 more files and then yung pictures din lang. Then I will see you later.